What's up, Camp Griddlemore? We have made 5 Smashburger episodes on this show over the course of the last year, and today we are going to rank them and share them all with you to give you 5 great ideas for Smashburgers at the campground. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. All right, Camp Griddlemore, let's dive right into our rankings. And these are not ranked by like the most views. These are ranked by what Sean and I find to be the most delicious. And for each of these 5 Smashburgers, we're also gonna give you a pro tip. So let's get cracking. Number 5, the Glazed Donut Smashburger. This one is more than just a gimmick. It is a sweet and salty masterpiece that deserves to be made at least once a year when you go camping. We would make it even more, but it's just a bit too decadent to make in the regular rotation. We use whiskey burger seasoning and Krispy Kreme glazed donuts and yellow American, but recently we've moved to white American and we think that it tastes even better. Pro tip, add some whiskey burger seasoning to a glazed donut for a bonus treat. Number 4, the Endless Summer Smashburger. This one is packed with fresh and delicious veggies like green leaf lettuce, red onion, hothouse tomatoes, and pickles. This burger goes well with a classic slice of American cheese, and because we toasted our buns with Duke's mayo, it doesn't need any ketchup or burger sauce, in my humble opinion. The pro tip for this one is to add some whiskey burger to the top of your buns and toast that side too. Your hamburger roll will taste like fresh baked bakery bread. Number 3, the Jersey Devil Smashburger. This one is like a breakfast burger, but we crank it up to 11 with a homemade burger sauce that uses ketchup, mayo, diced jalapenos, and our favorite hot sauce, and a fine dusting of Fritos to finish it off. The burger itself is topped with pork roll, egg, and pepper jack cheese that combine to create a sweet and spicy explosion of delicious flavor. The pro tip here is to make sure that you put 3 or 4 cuts on each side of pork roll so it does not curl up the second that it hits the griddle. Number 2, the classic smash. Every griddler I know does a version of this basic but delicious Smashburger. It has a homemade special sauce that uses ketchup, ranch, sriracha, and a spicy relish. We also toast the bun on this one and use iceberg lettuce for extra crunch. Choose a seasoning of your choice and go with a double cheeseburger on this one for extra golden surface and extra golden crust. The pro tip here, and the pro tip for so many Smashburgers that you could make, don't forget the pickles. Number 1, the Bacon Cheddar Barbecue Smashburger. This is the best Smashburger that I have ever made here at Camp Griddlemore. The simple but delicious combination of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce and Mike's Hot Honey makes a burger sauce that your friends and family will crave and ask for over and over again. This burger also includes thick cut bacon, sharp cheddar, and lots of pickles that all complement each other perfectly. Go generous on the sauce with this one and enjoy a taste of sweet and salty and spicy heaven right here at the campground. The pro tip here is to get fresh baked pretzel rolls at a local bakery if you can, and if you can, this burger will become legendary and will be requested every time you fire up your Blackstone Griddle. All right, Camp Griddlemore, let me know in the comments below which one of these 5 Smashburgers you want to try the most. Sean does think that the Glazed Donut Smashburger could have possibly been ranked higher and perhaps even been ranked at number 1, but that thing's got 1,000 calories a pop, so that cannot be number 1 on my list of Smashburgers. All right, everybody, we will see you next week right here at Camp Griddlemore.